Hey there! Have you ever wondered if you can receive money on Monzo? It's a question that pops up a lot, especially for those who are new to the digital banking world. Today, we're diving deep into that very query. So, sit back, relax, and let's explore the ins and outs of receiving money on Monzo. Hook. Imagine you're on a trip with friends, and you've just split the restaurant bill. Instead of fumbling with cash or writing checks, you could simply send a request for your share. How convenient would that be? Well, with Monzo, it's a reality. Understanding Monzo. Before we delve into receiving money, let's quickly understand what Monzo is. It's a digital bank that offers a range of financial services, including a debit card, budgeting tools, and international money transfers. One of its key features is its simplicity and convenience. Receiving money, the basics. So, can you receive money on Monzo? Absolutely. There are a few ways to do this. Bank transfers. If someone wants to send you money from their traditional bank, they can use your Monzo account details. You'll typically need to provide them with your account number and sort code, or equivalent in other countries. Monzo to Monzo transfers. If you have friends or family who also use Monzo, they can send you money directly from their app. This is a quick and easy way to transfer funds between Monzo users. Request money. Monzo has a feature that allows you to request money from others. Simply add the person's contact details, specify the amount, and send the request. They can then accept or decline it. Additional considerations. While receiving money on Monzo is generally straightforward, there are a few things to keep in mind. Processing time. Bank transfers may take a few days to process, while Monzo to Monzo transfers are usually instant. Fees. Some banks may charge fees for international transfers. It's always a good idea to check with your bank for any applicable fees. Limits. There may be limits on the amount of money you can receive in a single transaction or over a certain period. Real-life examples. Let's look at some real-life scenarios where receiving money on Monzo can be incredibly useful. Splitting bills. When going out with friends or family, you can easily request your share of the bill using Monzo. No more fumbling with cash or writing checks. Getting paid. If you're a freelancer or contractor, you can receive payments from clients directly into your Monzo account. Receiving gifts. When friends or family want to send you a gift, they can do so easily using Monzo. Security and safety. Monzo prioritizes security and takes measures to protect your funds. Your account is protected by advanced security features, including two-factor authentication. However, it's always essential to practice good online security habits, such as avoiding sharing your account details with anyone you don't know. Conclusion. So, to answer the question, can I receive money on Monzo? The answer is yes. It's a convenient and secure way to transfer funds. Whether you're splitting bills, getting paid, or receiving gifts, Monzo makes it easy. Call to action. If you haven't already, consider giving Monzo a try. It's a great option for those looking for a modern, digital banking experience. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any other questions about Monzo or receiving money, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy banking!